Welcome to TinkerSpace. Now let's make a smart staircase light control. Now this is to eye proximity sensor, and this is LED lamp, and this is TinkerSpace Brain Board. This is used to monitor the input and control the output. This is connecting wires, and this is the power supply. Now let's do the connection.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Here, choose the Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here, I added two IS proximity sensor as input and LED lamp as output. Now go to the menu and click on Save. Now the design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select the hardware input condition. Now let's choose separate case for each input. Click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor on, in the LED lamp, I will select invert or reverse 100%, save settings. In the input 2 sensor on, I will click on invert or reverse 100%, save settings. And I will add some delay for both the condition. Around 0.3 seconds of delay is suffice. Save settings. Here the coding is done. So click on Save Code. Now, in the sensor-based staircase light control project, there will be a staircase, and at the bottom and at the top, we are keeping two sensors. Input 1 will be at the bottom and the input 2 will be at the top, and the LED lamp will be at the wall. Here, when the input 1 sensor on means when the person is coming from the downstairs, the eye proximity sensor will detect the presence of that person and it turns on. And the input 2 sensor on means when the person is detected by the eye proximity sensor 2, the sensor will turn on and it will trigger. And as a selection, I added invert function and I kept it in 100%. Means it will work as a one toggle. When the eye proximity sensor detects the presence of that person, the LED lamp will on, and if it detects again, it will turn off. If the person is coming from upstairs and the eye proximity sensor detects it, so the LED lamp will turn on, and if it detected from the downstairs, the LED lamp will turn off. The same function happens. If the eye proximity sensor detects, the LED lamp will turn on, and if it detects again, and if it detects again, it will turn off, and the function keeps on. So this is how the invert function works. It will turn on and off when the sensor is detected by an object. And here I added some delay, around 0.3 seconds of delay I added. The reason we added 0.3 seconds of delay is that when the IR proximity sensor is detected the presence of that person, it sends the IR rays continuously. So that means if we didn't put any delay, then the LED lamp will turn on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off continuously. But we need to function the LED lamp smoothly, so we added 0.3 seconds of delay so that the LED lamp will turn on and off in a medium intervals. So this is how the coding works in the sensor-based staircase light project. Here the coding is done. We clicked on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to TinkerSpace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now we uploaded the code. Now let's test the project. When the object moves in one side, the light turns on. When it goes in the other side, the light turns off. Now let's implement into the project. Here we are finished model of our project. Here we fixed eye proximity sensor at the top of the staircase and another eye proximity sensor at the bottom of the staircase with LED lamp installed middle of the staircase. When a person comes from bottom, the sensor detects and the lamp turns on. When the person reaches at the top, the sensor detects and lamp turns off. Same way when the person goes down, the sensor detects and lamp turns on. When the person reaches down, the sensor detects and lamp turns off.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected.